Okay, this video is to really just kind of give you a look inside of my newly constructed messy studio. And you can see it's messy because see this right here? See this? See that right there? It's like hanging in here, but I'm going to give you a walkabout. All right, some of the things that I really love, let me zoom out so you can see it, is some of these backgrounds that I've purchased. And I will come out here a little bit so you can see it. It's not super huge. I just have it Velcroed up to my wall. And these are really, they're inexpensive. Sorry. Okay, so just a moment ago, you saw that the lighting looked really good on my face, right? While I was using this ring light right here. And even though it's a little bit bigger than those ones you can buy off of Amazon, it is a really nice ring light. And I have an amber filter on it right now, which just gives me more of a warm tone on my face. So I use that. I have these lights right here. For filler light from the left and the right if I want to. You'll notice the turquoise blocks up at the top. Those are noise canceling. So I'm in a room with a bunch of hard surfaces and I don't want that echoey sound right now, so these absorb sound. And it's not quite finished yet because where the turquoise ones are, there will be black ones in between. But the turquoise ones came in first, so we put them up. Over in the corner is a cool little tool that's called, I'm going to come over closer so you can see it. It's called a pad caster. And a pad caster is what I use whenever I am like at conferences or whatever. And let me just get it a little bit closer so you can see it. So it's super mobile. It has a great little frame it sits on that rolls around nicely, and then it holds my iPad right here. It also has brackets on the top to hold lighting, boom mics, everything that I need, and it rolls smoothly and allows me to do Facebook Lives from events that are super seamless. So it's called a pad caster. It's a little bit of an investment, but I love it a lot. I have another background here. So all three of my walls are covered in backgrounds right now. So this one is kind of a cityscape. And I've got my whiteboard in there too because I generally will roll in my whiteboard with my notes of what I'm going to be shooting for the day and if I need some notes so that I'm not just So my whiteboard's there too. Then if we scroll around again, one more turn. This is another background that I have that I use a lot. You've probably seen it in a lot of my videos. And then I have a green screen. Now I've never used my green screen before, but I am going to. When my studio is done, I'll have my lamp and my shelf and all my props in here. Is my ukulele right there and my mic, and I've got a bunch of stuff. But this is kind of my behind the scenes right now of what this looks like. And not finished, but at least it's workable right now. Welcome to my studio.